So our next step in accounts receivable is creation of concerned GL accounts. Okay. Path is financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing and FS00 centrally. So here we are going to create two accounts, that is sundry debtors account and sales account. Okay. So first we are going to create sundry debtors account. Click on create button. So here we will give 1,01,000 for sundry debtors. You can give your company code. Now account group. So sundry debtors belongs to asset group, right? So select assets. So it will come in balance sheet. So you need to select balance sheet account. Short text, you can give sundry debtors GL account. Long text also the same, sundry debtors GL account. After that, click on Control Data tab. So here we need to give reconciliation account, that you need to select customers. Then select line item display and sort key 031. Now click on create bank interest. So here field status group G067. Now you can save it. So now we have created sundry debtors account. Now next is sales account. We will give 3 lakh for sales. Then you give the company code. Now click on type description. So asset group sales belongs to income. So we need to select here income. So it comes in profit and loss account itself. So no, there is no need to change. Short text, you can give sales GL account. Long text also same, sales GL account. Now click on control data, select line item display and sort key 001. After that, click on create bank interest. Now here field status group is G001. Now save it. So we have created here two GL accounts, that is sundry debtors and sales account.